Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to solve a linear equation 3x is equal to 9. To know more about this, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. So let's start. This is our given equation. Now we have to find the value of x, and to get that, we will divide the both sides by 3. Doing so, we get 3x by 3 is equal to 9 by 3. Look that in the left hand side we have 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. So it gets cancelled and we are left with x. And in the right hand side we have 9 by 3, which is 3. So finally we get x is equal to 3 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.